Hello foodies, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make veg paneer parcels. And do like and subscribe the channel for more updates. Let's start making it. We will take first 2 teaspoon ghee or butter in a pan. Then we will add 1 finely chopped tomato in it. Now we will mash these tomatoes as we want mushy texture of the tomatoes and saute it. Now we will add 1 finely chopped onion after the tomato as we want tomato mushy in texture and onion crispy in texture. Now we will saute it well. We will saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and then we are going to add vegetables. We will add half cup boiled sweet corn. We will saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon green peas if you have, then 1 tablespoon finely chopped carrot. If you don't have these vegetables at your home, you can totally skip it and you can add capsicum too if you have it. I will add 1 teaspoon oregano. You can add more if you like it more. Then I will add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. If you have mixed herbs, you can use it too. Then I will add 4 to 5 tablespoon tomato ketchup. To make it more tangy, you can add less if you want. Instead of the spices, you can add dhania powder or Maggi masala. Then I will add 2 to 3 teaspoon water and cook it well. Now I will add 1 cup diced paneer, that is 100 grams of paneer, and mix all the things very well. Now we will take out this mixture into a bowl and keep it at a room temperature to make this mixture cool down. Take 1 cup wheat flour into a bowl. Then I will add half teaspoon baking powder into it. Then 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Half teaspoon of salt, it is rock salt. You can add normal salt. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now I will be adding half cup curd into it. We will not use water to knead the dough. Mix well. I will add 1 teaspoon oil into the dough as it is very sticky, so it will make it non-sticky. Then we will knead the dough for 5 to 6 minutes. If the dough is still sticky, then you can add more flour into it. After 5 to 7 minutes, the dough is ready. It is very soft in consistency. Now I will divide the dough into 5 to 6 parts. You can divide it in whatever size you like. Now I will take a rolling board and rolling pin, dust some flour on our rolling board. Then I will roll the roti round in shape and it should be slightly thicker. You can roll roti in larger size if you want. As I am making medium size parcel, I am rolling it in medium size. Now I will fold the sides of the roti in a triangular shape. Apply some water over the sides so it will not open up during baking. Now I will add 1 tablespoon paneer filling. You can add cheese if you want. Fold the sides of parcel as shown in the video. I will take a dish and brush it with butter, keep a paper over it and keep your parcel in it. Take one pan and keep a stand in it and preheat at high flame for 5 to 10 minutes. All the parcels are ready to be baked. Then I will apply milk and sugar mixture over the parcel so sugar will be caramelized and it will give brown color to our parcels during baking. Our pan is preheated, so now I will keep the dish inside the pan and close it with the dish. We will cook this for 25 to 30 minutes at low to medium flame, and yes, they are ready. This is how it looks after baking. I will apply ghee or butter over the parcels to make it more softer. If you have oven at your home, then you can use convection mode at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Now I will keep a cloth over it to make it cool down. After 2 to 3 minutes, they are softened now. Sprinkle some oregano over the parcels and they are ready to be served. You can serve it with tomato ketchup. Look how delicious they are looking. They are tasty too. Do try it at your home. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.